Hello everyone, my name is Ijaz and today I will show you how you can install and compile LAMMPS inside Windows Subsystem for Linux. After installing this, you can easily access LAMMPS from any directory of Windows. So uh, first of all, you have to go to turn Windows feathers on and off, and coming down here you have to make sure this is checked. Click OK. Then you have to open CMD and open it in the administrator mode. You have to write down here, copy and paste. I will put all these commands down in description so you can follow along. Okay, and it will enable the WSL system inside the Windows. So you have to run these two commands. Okay, after installing these two, enabling the WSL inside the Windows, you have to close this also, and then you have to restart. Okay, so now I have restarted my PC. Then you have to open the CMD again, and we have to set the version of the WSL we will install. So you have to use this command, and here you can see that it will set the WSL version to 2. Operation completed successfully. After that you have to close this, and we will go to Microsoft Store. Here you can search the Ubuntu, Ubuntu. I will install Ubuntu 20.04. It's up to you, whatever you like. Install it, close it, and it will install. It will take few minutes to configure. You have to make your username and password for this Ubuntu system. Let me get a name of Khan, making my password, and then we will go for the next step. We will check whether the network is working or not. Okay, close this window, and now you can access the Ubuntu anywhere from any directory in the Windows just by going here and writing WSL, and it will open the Windows sub binary system per Windows. After setting your username and choosing your password, we have to check whether the network is working or not. So we can check it by writing ping www.google.com, and we see that data is coming in and out, so net is working here. After that we have to install update and upgrade it, and then we have to install all these programs. So for updating we have to write sudo app update enter. They will ask for the password, and then it will update the Ubuntu to the current updates. Okay, let's wait for it. Then we have to upgrade. Yes,
Make every exam.
Okay, so now it is being updated, and we have to install all these, the gcc cg++. So sudo apt install gcc, and yes. Next we will install the G++. So just change it to the G++ and it will install. Yes. Oh my god, what happened? Yes. Then we will install gportan, gportan. Yes. We will also install wget and make, which will help us. Wget. Reading done. Building wget is already okay, and make. After that, as we have installed wget, so now we can download the LAMMPS code. So now we have installed all the required programs. So now we will go and we will download the LAMMPS from the LAMMPS official website. So here just write down LAMMPS, and this is LAMMPS official page. Just go to download, and it depends which version you are interested. I will install an older version because I'm working with that version. So I will click here, and just my version is 2016. So here I'm using this one, put in my 2016 version. Just right click on it, copy link address, go to your Ubuntu, write down wget, and control V, or just right click your mouse button, it will paste the link, enter. It will start downloading the LAMMPS source code from the official website. After it get download, then we will unpack it, enter the tar file, and then we will compile our LAMMPS. It's almost done. So let's see where we are. We are here, pwd. We are in the home and con directory. So ls, all we have to now untar it. So we have to write tar xvf and LAMMPS. This it will untar ls. Now it is enter the tar file, cd LAMMPS, put in my ls, and as you can see, these are the inside folders. Go to the src directory, and yeah, this is the file. We don't need to do now. According to your requirements, what packages do you need? You can write like make package status, and at here it's showing that what packages they are activated and what packages they are not activated yet. So you can activate any package from here just by writing make yes and the name of the package. Like for example, I am doing meme, but before doing that you have to go to the library. Like for certain packages we have to compile first the library, and then we can include it and we can compile in the LAMMPS code. So I will go to the library ls and let me go to the meme folder, and ls there will be some readme file. So by doing this, I think we can open it like this: notepad.exe readme, and it will open this in the Windows Notepad. So here you can see all you need is just to go here and write down. You have to write this make -f. So just copy this file and just write down that. So now it has made the library, and it has made the library, and you can see here that inside the library you must have this tool file library meme.a and make file.lamps. So let check it, and we have here library meme.a and also the other file. So now you have again to go to the src directory. So going back and ls, going back to the src, cd back, ls, cd again, going back, and now make package status. You can see here that this meme package meme, it's no, so we can make it yes, make yes and meme. So it installed the meme package. Now if you check it again, you will see here that the meme it's yes. So first you should check for every package whether it's included in the library folder or not. If it's included in the library folder, then you must first compile it over there, and then just read the readme file over there, and you can compile it accordingly, and then you can come here and then you can make it yes. After making yes your required packages, and if you want to modify any code, you can also modify it at this stage. After modifying everything you want, you can make the executable just by writing make mpi. It's giving some error in this directory, but I wanted to copy this file to sum up my window somewhere to my Windows directory so that I can access easily inside the Windows Explorer. So all I need is to go to where I have entered the LAMMPS tar file, and then I have to copy this file. Like if you wanna browse through the Windows Explorer from this from the Ubuntu, so you have to write ls space mnt backslash, and it will show you this is the first one, cd and wsl. So wsl is here, this directory. We can't access wsl from the Windows Explorer, but we can access cnd. So I will copy sudo cp and sudo cp let me copy lamps my 14, this is the 16, and I will copy it to this directory, any directory, but mnt. If you are copying it to Windows directly, first you have to write mnt, then to the D, and inside D I have made a folder, its name is Khan. For example, this is D and I have made this folder Khan, so I will copy it here. Okay, if you are copying the whole folder directory, you have to write -a before that, and now it's installing. It's copying the files to that directory. Let's wait for it. Okay, so now it has copied everything. We have to go to our Windows directory, and now you can see it is copied the file from the WSL directory here. So now you can easily browse through the Windows Explorer. You can go to the any folder. So all those directory we saw there, it's here now. So we can easily go to the SRC, and I can call the Ubuntu easily by writing WSL here, and here I can use the same commands like as I said, use this one, make package and status, and here you see that I installed I created the meme package, and here it says now I want to install I want to make the executable, so I will write make mpi, and it will start making the executable LMP mpi. Entering directory, leaving directory. Okay, so we haven't installed the MPI yet, so first we have to install the MPI. You can install it by sudo apt installed mpich. Okay, yes, and now you can write make mpi, and it will start making the executable. So now it's almost installed. We have to check it out. You can check whether your executable it is being made or not just by writing lmp mpi, and it's not been found. We can try lmp /lmp underscore mpi, and here you can see it is being installed, but it's not being installed in the root directory. So you can copy it to the root directory by writing sudo cp .lmp mpi, and the root directory is the bin. So now if you write lmp mpi mpi, you can see it's being installed. Now how will you check it whether your LAMMPS code is working or not? So all you need is just to go to your LAMMPS directory and to the example file. For example, I want to check for anyone. For example, I want to check for this one. I will click here WSL, and I will write I think mpi exec minus np and 2, let's suppose lmp mpi, and minus n and n dot crack, and I wanna don't see to screen. So the 2 is the number of processor you wanna assign to this code. You can change it. You can choose 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Depends on your system. So yeah, n minus e screen means that whatever is running, it will show it on the screen. So you see it's running down and it's done. So that's all. you can install your LAMMPS code like this. Let me check some another example. For example, let me randomly go to here, this file. This is the end file. Again, you have to write down the same thing. This was the previous command. I have just to change the end file n.peptide, and yeah, this pick style, because it will use some, so it's not working because I haven't I haven't compiled my LAMMPS with some specific package, so it's not working. But it's all depend on your requirement. So as I said, like for example, we have installed memes, so this will definitely work. Let's check it out. Sorry. Okay, minus this, and this is n.meme file, and you see it's working. This was the file we run. This is the input script. Okay, so this was all about this video. You can install and compile your LAMMPS code using WSL, and if you guys like, I will make some other videos related to the input script, and also some pre and post processing tools. I hope it will help you in your research. If you have learned something from this video, please do subscribe the channel and also like the video, and if you have any question, ask them down below in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great time.